Don't Eat Me Stories. It's a creative, persuasive essay, and this week we're going to be working on it. So go ahead and follow along with me as I read this. Don't look now, but something over there, animal or alien, wants to eat you. It doesn't want to eat you to be mean. It doesn't want to eat you because it's scary. Whether you like it or not, your body contains nutrients that would be beneficial to it if you were consumed. So, your job, talk that animal or alien out of it. Come up with 3 very different reasons or big ideas why you should not be eaten. Use your persuasive strategies that we have been learning and provide alternative options or tell me mores that might be presented to the creature, eyeing you for its dinner. So the first thing that we are going to do is I want you to dedicate a page in your notebooks to a pretty fun idea. I want you to come up with some original, I don't want you to do this. Oh, shoot. Okay, pause. Ah! Don't eat me! Yep, we're doing stories this week, and we are convincing, check it out, guys. Check it out, 3rd grade. We are going to be creating some Don't Eat Me persuasive stories. Follow along while I explain this a little bit more in detail. Don't look now, but something over there, animal or alien, wants to eat you. It doesn't want to eat you to be mean. It doesn't want to eat you because it's scary. Whether you like it or not, your body contains nutrients that would be beneficial to it if you were consumed. Your job? Talk to that animal or alien out of it. Talk it out of it. Come up with 3 very different reasons / big ideas why you should not be eaten. Use, darn it, Arga. Hey there, 3rd grade writers. We are going to be creating new essays about nothing. Don't look now, but something over there, animal or alien, wants to eat you. It doesn't want to eat you to be mean. It doesn't want to eat you because it's scary. Whether you like it or not, your body contains nutrients that would be beneficial to it if you were consumed. So this week, your job is to use your creative persuasive strategies and talk that animal or alien out of it. Come up with 3 very different reasons or big ideas why you should not be eaten. Use our persuasive strategies that we have been learning and provide alternative options or tell me mores that might be presented to the creature eyeing you for its dinner. The first thing that I'm going to ask you to do is draw a picture of a human body and label it. Just label as many body parts as you possibly can. Head, ears, nose. Think about earwax. Think about fingers and fingernails. Go ahead and do that and pause the video. Next, you are going to, after that brainstorm with the body, you are going to create your T-chart. That's going to be on Tuesday, so I'm kind of going ahead on this video just to give you the full picture. So here's kind of an example where your topic sentence or your claim is going to also identify whatever the creature is, or alien or animal, and it's also going to identify the setting. So for example, it could say, "Hey you, squishy beanie baby." It can be anything, guys. You can use any kind of animal. "Hey you, squishy beanie baby, I see you out there hiding behind the brambleberry bush. Well, you should not eat me, and here are some reasons why." Something like that. I'm sure you can come up with something a little more creative than mine, but there's just the example. Remember, you need to identify the animal, and you also have to identify the setting. It could be under your bed, it could be outside, it could be under the porch, could be in the refrigerator, anywhere you want to go. Next, your big ideas. Here's an example one. First of all, I do not taste good. For example, or you should really try my brother. He really tastes much better. He uses strawberry shampoo, so his hair will be like a dessert. So that was the best one I could come up with. And then you would need to come up with 2 more and a closing sentence. Next, here is an example of one that another student has done. And this is the Wolf Edition by Arturo, and he was a 6th grade writer. So here we go. I know there are wolves out there. I can see you from the cabin porch. Notice that we know what the animal is and we know the setting from the very beginning. If there are, don't move and listen to me. Meat isn't good for you. You should eat vegetables. Meat is very bad, and I am going to give you some insight as to why. To begin with, meat is hard to digest. Trust me, whenever I eat too much meat, my stomach doesn't agree with me. I'm telling you, meat is bad for you, so you don't want to eat me. Next, studies show that vegetarians are 50% less likely to have heart attacks. You could die from eating meat, and you don't want that. There are a lot of different kinds of vegetables to choose from, and they taste delightful. So listen to me. Meat is bad. You should consider your life, or do you want to die? Is that slobbering I hear? Nowadays, a lot of people have high cholesterol. Meat has a lot of that. If you have high cholesterol, you won't live as long. Meat is so bad for you. In conclusion, you should not eat me. Vegetables are quite delicious in taste. You have been warned. I'm going inside now. So boys and girls, that was an excellent example of something that we are working on this week. Good luck and enjoy. Rewatch this video if you have any questions, and I cannot wait to hear about what kind of animal you choose, your setting, and what that all looks like. Oh, before you go, I would like to share one last thing. Let's go hop over real quick to the example. And I want you to notice that in this type of paragraph, we are going to be talking in first person. That means we are going to be using a lot of I can see you, and we're going to be using lots of yous. We're going to be talking directly to the animal, and we are ourselves, so we are talking directly to the animal. We're also using me, I can see you, trust me, lots of me's, lots of I's, and lots of you's. So remember, first person, and we're talking directly to the animal. All right, my friends, have a lot of fun with this. Go crazy and enjoy it. Talk to you later.